Alright friends, inside this video topic, again we'll discuss a very interesting concept and that is how to display the sale price and the regular price of any product if the sale price is available. Let's go back to editor. So before implementing this concept, if I go back to browser, let's go and inspect our products list. And here, let's go to console tab. Here we have some errors, so I will fix also inside this video topic. Let's go inside this array and inside this array, for example, if I open this ID called 83 of this product, and if I scroll, and now we can see that inside this properties list, here we have the price called 18, then here we have the regular price which is 20, and also here we have the sale price equals to 18. So it means that this product has the normal price of $20, but in sale price somehow on discount it is in sale of $18. So in this case, how to display the product value? Because as we know, here we have the $20 which is the regular price, but this product is also available on discount which is of $18. So how to display? Let's go back to editor. Then I will open src, pages, products component, and here if I scroll, so we can see that inside this price here, that is single product regular price and the price value. So instead of using the value something like this, first I will remove. Let's put curly pairs and simply I will call a function called render product price. And inside this, let's pass the complete object that is of single product of this map method. And here also inside console, we are getting some error of our key prop. So let's go inside this div tag and let's add key. And inside this key, I'll use simply the index. Now I will save all these changes and for the time being this method is not defined, so let's cut this method, save again, let's go back to browser, and if I reload, and now we can see that there's no error of key prop inside this console tab. Now let's work for our sale price or the regular price. So here is the method, so let's copy the method name, then I'll go here, so return like product regular price along with sale price value. So here const method name, and this method is taking the product informations, and here let's return react fragment, and inside this fragment or simply let's return dollar. Here we have called product dot, and inside each product we have the property called regular price. Let's get this value. I'll wrap inside React fragment. So if I save this value, let's go back to browser. And if I reload, let's go inside our product list. And now we can see that it is listing all the regular prices of each product. But in this case, also we have the available value as the sale price. So what to do? In that case, this regular price will not work because at the time sale price will be the real price of that product. So here what I will do, let's say if product dot sale price, if this property has the value, so in that case let's say return react fragment, and here I'll use span tag. Let's use some class name, so class name equals to text muted of bootstrap 5, then here it's a text decoration. I think class name is not coming, so text decoration, it will be line through line through, and inside this span tag simply we have to display the regular price first. So I will copy, put here inside this span tag, and additionally also we have to display the sale price. So let's add one more span tag, not spam, it will be span tag, and here let's add the class name as text danger, and here let's product dot sale price. Save these changes. So if I go here and now we can see that it is okay It is also okay. Now this time we can see $20, which was the original price. Now it is cut. Now the real price of this product is $18. So here we have the $18. If I scroll, now we can see that this product was of $3, but originally now on the discount this product is available in $2. So here we have all the things working fine. Only we have the price missing of this product. So what I will do, if I go here, we have the third value as well. It means it is coming from here. So let's add logical or, and in this case, product dot sale, not product dot sale. It was product dot price. Save these changes. Now if I go, and now we can see that here we have the price value. Here we have the price value. It is also okay. So if I scroll, and now we can see that every product has the product thumbnail, product title, product price, and also the product categories and description. Now next, we have to work over the functionality. So for example, if I click on any of the product, we can see that right now we are opening the single product information page with the static values. So what basically we have to do, so whenever if I click on any of the product, so on the basis of dynamic product ID, first we have to fetch the single product information of that product, and we have to go and list those informations inside this single component file. So this whole thing I'll discuss inside next video. So for this interesting course, interesting video, please hit the like button to like this video, subscribe to this channel. Now let's meet to our next amazing video. So for this video session guys, thank you for watching and have a great day.